Run.
Alright, check your fire mode. I haven't had that fucking thing before.
You're in the...
People coming up, far side? Yeah,
Yep.
second floor. Do you see any down hallway?
Nope.
If you do, I'll rush them for you from behind. There are definitely people there, though. They might be outside.
I think they're
or
outside.
inside. Bait them. Make a little noise.
He just peeked me. There's somebody under the stairs. Go. Get him.
Make some noise. Got them both, baby! That's a twofer!
I'm coming. Nice.
Good work. Good teamwork. There. Was that a underbarrel?
I don't know, man. Go get him, Jack.
Where is he? Do you know?
At the top of the stairs.
Do you want me to push him or something? What do you think?
Yes, push him.
Fucking terror group.
That's me. Making noise? Did you get him?
No, I got the other guy. This.
I'm making noise down here still?
Yeah, I'm coming down.
Yeah, he's one more down. He's one more below there. Yep. A little further. Keep going. He's naked.
Oh, I'm dead. What the fuck?
Where was he?
I don't know.
Did somebody push him from up there?
I don't know, but go fucking get him and get my shit, Jack. That was a player.
What the fuck's going on?
Dude is fucking invisible, dude.
Yeah, for me too there. Alright, now we juicy.
I think he's on the other side. Drop down and go after him.
Here though, he's with me here.
You're right. Got a heavy bleed?
Yeah, I did. I sure did. Oh well, don't matter. Head eyes. I don't know what was going on there. That was weird.